To read and to write is a basic need of every person. And the Bible Society developed a literacy program based on the Bible for everyone who wants to use it, for children as well as for adults. And therefore I want to introduce you to My First Bible Do and Learn book.
Today we're visiting the Kirio Kids Educare Centre in Wallerstein, Bloemfontein, where the My Bible Do and Learn program has been implemented by the teachers with great success. As you walk through the classroom, you see that the kids are loving to do the program. They like the drawing, they like the writing, and they also learn to speak English. But the best part of all is they are learning about the Bible.
I see, I see, I read, I see, I see,
Come, follow. Watch, look, Bona. My First Bible Do and Learn book introduces young children, or new readers of any age, to basic literacy through the rich history of Bible stories and their colourful characters. It is based on the Do and Learn method, which actively involves learners with all their senses in the learning process. Teaching is made easy through the use of icons, flashcards and a teacher's guide, which are included in the book.
I love God. I pray.
The Do and Learn method is a very effective way of teaching children to read very quickly. After the first 3 lessons, children are able to put together sentences which they can learn, which encourages them to work harder at learning to read and write. The Do and Learn method involves active participation with all your senses in the reading process. Children learn about the world in which they live through play, acting out, demonstrating words, using their eyes, ears, hands. Movement and visual association aid learning and promote short and long-term memory. This involves listening to stories, songs, clapping rhythms, games and other techniques.